Hello, good afternoon. We're back for the championship game between Western Visayas region against Southern Tagalog region or Calabarzon, represented by De La Salle University Integrated School in Binyan, Laguna, against Negros, represented by Surgeon High School. This will be the championship game for the Palarong Pambansa 2025 futsal for girls secondary. First game for third, Davao versus NCR. Davao won the game for bronze 1-0 against NCR San Beda Alabang. Good luck girls, good luck to Calabarzon. Calabarzon is headed by head coach Ludesa Pang Silava, with assistant coaches Jun Mark Saraga and David Baloyot, and our director for program for football, Coach Alvin Ocampo. Thank you also to Mayor Jel Alonte for the Binyan Athletes support. Jel Alonte, right? You can also watch live channel from the Palarong Pambansa Futsal 25 channel or live video. Let's go Calabarzon! Go for gold! Aggressive tayo! Go for gold! This is the final game for futsal for Palarong Pambansa 2025. Good luck girls!
Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck.
Good luck girls! Good luck.
For real, naisama niyo.
This is Region 4A versus Region 6.
This is Palarong Pambansa 2025 Futsal Secondary Girls Championship match that I'm between Region 6 Western Visayas Regional Athletics Association versus Region 4A Calabarzon. And for Region 6, and for our Region 6 Western Visayas, the champs, Division of Negros Occidental, jersey number 1, Billy A. Bess. Jersey number 2, Andrew G. Oro. Jersey number 3, Army G. Castaneda. Jersey number 4, Ned Win D. Sagan. Jersey number 5, Hannah Marie R. Montalban. Jersey number 6, Brenda Faye S. Amin. Jersey number 7, Almi Joy Marquez. Jersey number 8, Lian Bonet B. Sagan. Jersey number 9, Monica R. Yarwan. Jersey number 10, Alexa Osorio. Jersey number 11, Pastor Nadine Bravo. Jersey number 12, Julian Guiana. Jersey number 13, Angel Marie Bautista. Jersey number 14, Shane Micaela Bendol. And jersey number 15, Juniors Besona. With their head coach, Juven G. Saludares. With their checker, Wesley G. Celes. And for our Region 4A,
Jayla. Let's go, girls.
and your match officials. Referee, first of all, C. Orlando. Second referee, Junal B. Alvarez. Third referee, Christian J. Pimentel. Scorer, Jessica S. Kulay. Timekeeper, Costino Magdam. Match Commissioner, Noel B. Marquez. Referees Assessor, Mary L. Jubilano. Tournament Secretary, Alan Gadanya. Our Technical Consultant, Mr. Ray Ritaga. Our Assistant Tournament Director, Mr. Eso Paulo P. Balante. And of course, our Tournament Director, Mr. Joel S. Marcelo. Malaro Pambasa 2025 Futsal Summer Girls Championship Match, Region 6 versus Region 4A, Carazo. Where's the black?
This is the final game, the championship match between Region 6 Western Visayas Region against Region 4A Southern Tagalog or Calabarzon Region. Good luck, girls, good luck. Senior Santo Niño, pray for us. Mother Perpetual help, guide us. team captain for Calabarzon is Jelena Soon, and for Western Visayas region is Soligen, number 4. Ush! Ground shot, ano? Let's go, Ush!
Push!
Let's go!
Power kick!
Let's go, guys! Let's go, Jelly, Ari, Daphne, Ushin, and Juna. Our starting 5 for Calabarzon is Juna May Cuerpo for keeper, Jelena Lorenzun, team captain, Ushin Valencia, Ariana Mentesa, and Daphne Deserto.
Wala yung sigaw kay ate, oy. Oy, siya kay ate. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Grass ka lang.
Walang foul lang, Ush. Ano lang, Ush? Use body lang. Aggressive lang. Medyo ano lang, may konting tulo lang sa floor kasi umuulan. Mar, kabit tabi, Mar. Boss. Start of the ball game.
Boss, akyat! Up! Up! Hey!
Leo dyan, Leo!
Jill! Likod, Jill!
Ayan, mo-shoot na, mo-shoot. Okay.
Lusiat na! Alright! Uy!
Hugot lang. Close battle.
Right, go! Right wing! Right wing! Good! Ayaw, hindi pinasa.
Ush, doon kami. Sigwan, Ush. Matalban.
Boss, kabila!
Balik.
Ay, go, go! Ayaw, ang paso sana kay Jimmy.
Ball. Calabarzon, ball. White touch. Let's go, girls. Let's go.
Okay, let's go! Kapila! Communicate!
Bayaan na natin lang. In out.
Pagbakante, walang pasok agad.
Layo kayo dyan, support kamay dyan. Technical timeout, may tulo sa floor. Ush! Ay ka pala si Amili Ush! Let's go, Daphne! Aggressive lang, Daphne! 6 January, kayo lang daw umulan sa Ilocos. Sayang din.
Right wing! Nice, Kwaos! Okay. Kanina pa yan! Pasa! Pasa!
Ayaw kay pala Ush! Let's go, guys!
Go, girl, go!
Calabarzon ball. First half, 16 minutes and 30 seconds.
Nice, girl!
Let's go, Jel. Target lang. Second post, Jel. Second post. Let's go. Ush, ay lagay pala Ush. Duli gamay, Ush. Sikit gamay. Pwede karte.
Gamay, akat, saka gamay. Hey!
Let's go, Ari! Sulod, Jel. Sulod.
Os, kwa! Oh! Sugata! Nan! Kwa! Oh, dikit! Nice, Os!
Ay, gaya, Ush. Sikit lang.
Nice, Os!
Sikit na.
Sugata!
Wala. Okay lang. Okay lang. Let's go, Ush. Let's go. Tao. Isuwa lang kami. Tagsalat talayo kayo. Okay na ko. Sorry, coach, ha. First to the ball. Ari, dyan. Doon na, Ari.
Jen, akyat! Jen, right wing! O, akyat, Jen! Akyat!
Calabarzon ball. Jelly, usap kayo, Jel! Awang cut! Awang weak side! Get one, Os!
Saka, Os! Saka, Osin! Nan! Go for a strike! Right! Hey!
Let too far again,
Nice!
Jelly, ground!
Sugata!
Jel, luyo! Kuha! Open, open, open! Open up! Saka, Arnie, saka!
Uy!
12 minutes in the first half, score still 0-0.
Nice!
Daphne, let's go, Daphne! Aggressive! Gamay kayo.
Kuha ko ah!
Bola, bola, bola! Usin! Balik, balik!
Oo, tayo rin!
Banteos, banteos! In out lang, in out!
Dikit!
Let's go, Calabarzon!
Hod! Saka! Saka!
Let's go, Daphne! Daphne! Aggressive, Daphne! Daphne, aggressive na Daphne!
Bumba, strike ta!
Ari, 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 Ari.
Saka piyak ta! Saka piyak!
Daphne! Ball fight, Daphne!
Nice! Hod!
Let's go, Daphne! Ball fight! Usil, big side, Usil, big side!
Shen, likod!
Up, 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 up!
Saka out!
Jen, do further!
Balik gitna! Strike Jen!
Daphne, aggressive na Daphne! Time out, Calabarzon. Score still 0-0. This is the championship round for futsal secondary girls for Palaro Pambansa 2025 in Ilocos Norte. Sayang lang, nag-ulan. Sayang ka, Ari, oy. Kapit. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oo. Ay, kailangan i-gel mo. Dali lang ang kuhan. Recover.
Go for strike, Os!
Daphne, ball fight, Daphne. Aggressive lang. Corner, corner. Wall lang, wall, wall. Batay, duha lang yun, duha. Diyan, ano sa'yo dyan? Ito. Get one, get one, get one, get one, Ush, Ush. Go, go. Goal! Oh, may foul kay Ari. Ush, ground lang, ground lang, ground lang, ground. Go, Calabarzon!
Accuracy!
Atas ba, atas ba? Calabarzon ball, Calabarzon! Hoy!
Very good. May chance sabi na.
Jen, Jen, sikitin lang kamay, Jen, sikitin kamay.
Balik.
Down, 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 down! Usin! Quick, 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 quick!
Akyat, akyat. Akyat. Diretso. Diretso.
Usin! Saka kamay, saka kamay!
Ken, akyat, Ken.
Saka kamay, Ush! Saka kamay, Ush! Saka kamay, Ush!
Yan na.
Leave, 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 leave! Let's go, Ari! Let's go, Daphne! Isa lang, isa lang! Ay, atras, sugat na, sugat na!
Nice. Diretso.
Yeah! Oh! First goal for Calabarzon! Courtesy of Daphne Deserto! Time is 5 minutes and 20 seconds in the first half. Take a time out kasi may basa sa floor. Ball fight lang, ball fight girls! Let's go!
Ball fight. Ball fight.
Usin, usin, usin! Lapit na kamay, lapit kamay.
Takwa, takwa. Dikiti, dikiti. Yan, dikiti, dikiti.
Score is 1-0. Calabarzon leading by 1. Aggressive, aggressive, defense, defense! Ay, kay Palaios, ay, kay Palaios! Ano, Laos?
Dikit na, dikit! Nice!
Nice shot, Usin!
Nice! Liwata, liwata!
Sul isa, kapitan lawas! Let's go, Jelly! Let's go! Defense! 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 Last one. Kalabasan ball, kalabasan ball. Los, wag lang. Wag mo nadali.
Ate Jel, Ate Jel.
Dapni.
Likod, likod. Jel! Right wing! Right wing! Aya! Wa isa insurance na. Ay nano!
Ball fight!
Full fight!
Time out, Western Visayas region. Our score is 1-0. Calabarzon leading by 1. Time remaining is 3 minutes in the first half. Calabarzon is represented by De La Salle University Integrated School in Binyan, Laguna. Our head coach is Ludesa Pang Silava. Assistant coaches, Junmark Saraga and David Baluyot. And our program head director for football, Coach Alvin Ocampo.
Ay, panglaban na yan.
Thank you also to Binyan Mayor Jel Alote for the support of the Binyan Girls Athletes for Palaro Pabansa 2025. Thank you po, Mayor. Juna, wake up, Bensa! Juna, let's go! Let's go, Region 4A! Hey!
Puro diesel kasi. Puro diesel engine.
Get one! Usin, get one!
Juna, ayaw kumpiyansa. Nice pass. Okay, our ball.
Dagdag isa!
Okay, akyat pat. Nice, Jel. Okay. Pasate. Ako. Oy.
Nice one. Huwag mong madali. 2 minutes. Ay, ayos. Let's go, Uzi. Let's go. May rep. Basa. Ulan kasi. May red. Slippery floors. Kailangan atake si Jay. Tabanga lang.
Okay. Starting dalawa na yan. Iisap na yan.
Nice try, Jelly. Nice try. Get one. Usin. Nasa likod. Uy, foul. Drop. Defense tayo, defense. Get one.
Nice!
dulo long. Jelly, Usin! Weak side, weak side! Get one! Go, amili, Jel, amili! Ito, Jel, palayo, laos, palayo! Jelly! Jel, sige tila, Jel! Doon ka mong Jel! Wala! Let's go, Juno!
Gina! Ayaw kumpiyansa!
Puno isa! 1 minute!
Mata sa bola! Hoy!
Leave, Juno!
Lig! Ay,
Rep! Basa na yung map, ilisag lang yung map.
Palitan ng map!
Yung may tapo. Let's go, Juno! Hold the lead!
Go, Calabarzon!
Wala pa, wala pa. Hatag sa ref. Time remaining is 58 seconds in the first half. Score is 1 for Calabarzon, 0 for Western Visayas or Negros. Lapit ba? One minute remaining, 58 seconds remaining. Balik, drop. Go, Ari, get Ari.
Nice, ate!
Get one, Jelly, get one. Get one. Bola. Get one. Header lang, no foul. Osin! Sikit na, Jali! Natalban! 4 seconds! End of the first half. Our score is 1-0. Calabarzon leading by 1. Isa lang, ma.
Papa, somebody step my clothes back. Papa, somebody step my clothes back.
injured si Alex Ruiz kasi sa semifinals na injured yung paa na nasipa yung paa ni Alex Ruiz. Ang nasipa yung paa ni Alex Ruiz kaya injured po si Alex, sayang din. But still, Calabarzon is leading by 1 against Western Visayas region. Pray for Calabarzon. Insuras lang. 3 minutes and 30 seconds, halftime break. Once again, Calabarzon is represented by De La Salle University Integrated School, and Western Visayas region is represented by Catalino Solojan National High School. Shout out to Mayor Jel Alonte. Thank you, Mayor, for your support sa mga Binyan athletes. Thank you po sa lahat ng suporta. Mabuhay po kayo. Also to the parents of the Calabarzon team, thank you for your support sa mga bata.
Walang I love you lang.
I love you, love. Kinikilig ka. Sabi ng driver, the last time they rain, January pa daw. Sa Ilocos. So, ngayon lang umulan. Hapon ngayon. Blessing. Thank you guys for watching Palarong Pambansa 2025 here in Lawag, Ilocos Norte. Our score is 1-0. Calabarzon's leading by 1. Our coaches for Team Calabarzon is our head coach, Lodessa Pang Silava, our assistant coaches, Junmark Saraga and David Baloyot, and our program director head for football, Coach Alvin Ocampo. Shout out also to Sir Alex Depante, our school sports director for La Salle Binyan. Problem na gamay kay nay mga slippery ang floor na tulo sa atop. Boy Scout, boss! Meron doon. Yan. Straight lang, yan. Forward. Pang 1, 2, 3, pang 5. Boss, yan. Yan tulo. Yung may ilaw. Tape? Mura mo na. May dot ba? Tara boss, labas. Yan. Kana. Okay. Okay, mabunol ka. Boy Scout, boy. Bye. Ito lang, oh. Di kay dagan slide magyapon. 9 seconds remaining for the halftime break. Bye. Bye. Ito na ba yun? Boss. Boy Scout. Baka madulas sa labas. Let's go, girls! Protect the lead! Dagdag for security! Let's go, Calabarzon! Let's go, Region 4! Oh. Rep, may tulo sa gitna, Rep! Wait, Kubensa! Get one! May sa gitna rep, gitna rin. Yan, may tulo dyan. Oh. Let's go, girls! Defense, defense! Dili lang, 5 seconds. Get one, Us! Balik, Us! Header dyan, header. Nice one, there. Get one!
Get one! Dili!
Kunin na. Magsushoot yan.
Nice move!
Hoy! Tulak, rep! Kaya! Oh! Yellow! Yellow card, rep! Hindi na bola yun! Nice one, rep!
Yay!
Let's go, Juna! Ikupensa!
Pensa! Let's go, bro! Let's go, bro! Hey, let's go, bro!
Diyan, alagi! Get one! Dapni, likod! Ay, saka, kay na Oxel!
Oh!
Teleperson ball, nice one, Ari! Wag lang, Os!
Arbol!
Isa lang! Two touches!
Pass play ta! Nga delay! Wala ka delay!
Get one!
Okay!
Yeah! Dapni again! 2 goals! Whoa, nice one, Dapni! Calabarzon leading by 2. Let's go, Juna! Time remaining is still 17 minutes. Plenty of time. In the second half, Calabarzon is leading by 2. Yay! Ay, Sadjan! Dili! Ay, Sadjan, wait now. Hold on. Dili lang, wait now!
Okay!
Delay, wait now! Wait net, okay na! Kill the time! Ay, Sadjan, wait now, dyan, hold on!
Hold on!
Jelly, kill the time!
Kill!
Jelly, kill the time!
Easy! Back to play!
Region 4! Thank you, guys.
Go!
Balik!
Nice one, Jonah! Okay, go! Well, injury tayo.
Harap! Wala.
May injury na, nauna. Jelly. Jel, wait, Jel, say hatag, Jel, kill the time. Medic! Let's go, Ari!
Wait na! Ano ba? Dahil! Kapila na tutuan!
Kaya na, pumasok na siya, kaya na.
Usin! Hold the lead tayo, Dalawa pa yan. Madali na 15 minutes lang. Jelly, hold the lead, Jelly. Let's go, Alex. All out tayo. Daphne, pressure. Drop. Get one. Usin, get one. Abdel, support. Nice one. Ay, pagdali, labaw.
Lawag pa na! Wait, delay! Goal!
Asayatag, Jel.
Press!
Hold on. Nice one, Usin. Balik. Alex, Daphne, bola! Hey, Daphne, bola! Daphne, get one! Ay, paliw.
Chili!
Yeah! Whoa! 3-0! Calabarzon leading by 3. Score by Alex Ruiz. Kahit na-injured. All out pa rin kay Alex Ruiz. Let's go, Calabarzon! Bola! Defense! Time remains 13 minutes. Calabarzon leading by 3. Bola!
Get one!
Nice one, Jelly! Get one!
Kick the ball back!
Say by John Lacuerpo. Nice one. Okay lang. Hey, 12 minutes lang. Delay na.
Kick the ball back!
hat-trick! Our score is 4-0. Calabarzon is leading by 4. Let's go, girls! Let's go, girls! Let's go, Calabarzon! Yes, inyo sa ninyo. Thank you! May oras ba? Time remaining is 12 minutes in the second half. Our score is 4 for Calabarzon, 0 for Western Visayas. Daphne Desierto has a hat-trick. Daphne Desierto, hat-trick, hat-trick, hat-trick. Hat-trick kay Daphne Desierto.
Automatic na Starbucks.
Magpapainom ako
Magpapainom yan.
ng Milo.
Milo.
Walay kumpiyansa, guys! Aggressive pa rin tayo! Dagdag pa, dagdag! Let's go, Jonah! Jelly! Daphne, Alex! Jelly! 12 minutes remaining, 12 minutes na lang! Delay tayo, delay rin konti!
Just kick the ball back. Just kick the ball back.
Delay!
Presa, presa!
Ayan na naman siya. Oy! Easy! Easy! Okay.
Patay tayo! Relax yan, relax. Wait,
Easy. Okay, nice break. Nice!
Leave! Delay! Time remaining is 11 minutes and 20 seconds. Our score is 4-0.
Kasay!
Jelly, eyes on the ball! Hey, concentrate, eyes on the ball!
Take one.
Usen, get the Usen!
Take one! Galing!
Defense! Let's go, Region 4!
And nice one.
10 minutes remaining, 10 minutes!
Kick the ball back.
Nice one, Usen.
Hey! Ayan na naman siya.
Daphne, huwag maunod, Daphne!
Ba't ayaw hawakan? Ayaw kumpiyansa, Junak.
10 minutes! Delay lang! Jelly, delay lang! Iso na lang 4.
Hawakan mo na.
Defense lang! Huwag pasutin!
Iman mo yan. Kick the ball back. Kick the ball back.
Patayin ang oras! Patayin!
Easy. Bang.
Balik! 9 minutes na lang! Kill the time! Nice one, Ush! 9 minutes!
Hoy! Nice on. Good ball.
Si Dandy mo, may nakatuwa. Rep, may nagmamap, Rep. Dapat kilatay mo na. Hey, Jelly, 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 8, Usin! 8 minutes na lang! Patay tayo sa oras! Kill time tayo, Juna! Kill time tayo, kill time! Let's go, Alex! Wala tayo, Alex! Alex!
Fit play. Fit play. Go for fit play.
Region 4! Halika na, halika na.
Go for fit play.
Get one, get one, get one! Defense na tayo!
Nice. Zen. Right wing. Right wing. Kick it out.
Delay lang, delay lang, delay! Walk lang, walk, 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 walk! Walk lang, walk lang! Time is on our side! Napa, napa. Na, tapad mo, tapad.
Sugat. Sugat.
Our score is 4-0. Calabarzon leading by 4. Time remaining is 7 minutes in the second half.
Sugat ah. Nice. Oh, right wing. Siya na naman. Ay, magulang.
Abdamni! Bola, bola!
Oh. How?
7 minutes na lang, 7 minutes! Walang kumpiyansa! Let's go, Calabarzon! Mag-rosy pa yan, hindi na kayo. Delay lang, delay! 7 minutes na lang, delay!
Easy.
Asa dyan, mataki dyan! Ay, pagdali dyan, labaw mo!
Easy.
Dyan, asa tag dyan, kilitay, may pressure pa! Asa, hold lang, wala pressure! Tura!
Ayan na.
Last one, Alex! Nice one, delay! 6 minutes na lang, 6 minutes!
Easy.
Wala,
Okay.
wala pressure, don't...
No pressure.
Patay na oras, patay! Wala pressure!
Kick the ball back. Yes.
Yes, good! Get one! 5 minutes!
Fit play. Nice, Del.
Oy! Ay, injured.
Right wing, right.
Ball fight, Abdi, ball fight! Nice one, Jonah!
Kick the ball back.
Technical timeout!
Kaya ni Alex. Ayan na.
Let's go, Jandy, Palomar in. Jandy, pressure, Jandy, get one! Bate mo, tira na! Nice one, Ush!
Nice one.
4 minutes na lang, 4 minutes! 4 minutes!
Kick the ball back.
Get one!
Good one.
Let's go, Junjun! Yes, hey, bye, Jun Aquarpo!
Nice. Siya na naman. Yeah.
trust you, Jen. I can trust you.
Sugata!
Nice one, Ocean.
Nice one! Kick the ball back!
Now, bigyan mo.
Ay, ay. Let's go, Jandy. Let's go, Daphne. Bola, bola, bola.
Bong!
Nice play, nice play.
Ball back!
Ayan.
Highlight Minga! Pasa! Wala yan, wala yan! Wala yan!
Nice one, Juna. 3 minutes remaining, 3 minutes. Di mo na tansan. Wala kapensa, wala kapensa. 3 minutes remaining, 3 minutes.
Kick the ball back!
Nice one, Jandy. Ball fight, ball fight. Let's go, Calabarzon. Our score is 4 for Calabarzon, 0 for West Visayas, Negros. Time remaining is 2 minutes. 2 minutes na lang.
Ayos na. Assurance na. Starbuok na naman ito mamaya.
Good job, grabe. Good job na.
Nice, Os! Kick the ball back!
Ay, grabe. Galing si Marikina.
2 minutes na, 2 minutes.
Steven!
Rico Jelly!
Lico Jel.
Runner! Juna!
Airball. Uy.
Defense! Isang pa defense!
1 minute na lang, 1 minute. Wag. Nice one. Airball. Delay. Jelly, 1 minute na lang. Hatag usin. Bate slide na dyan. Slide na.
Hold the
Ay, sa dyan,
ball!
hold.
Hold the ball!
Patay na yan, wala na oras.
Tay! Nice!
Nice one, Usin.
Ano yan, pader?
Walang play natin na. Walang play na.
Pader naman yan si Bong.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Ay, tara na.
Bola.
Push na. Ah!
Nice one, Jonah. Uy, wala pa rep. 1 minute, 20 seconds.
Ayan mong time ka, layaan sulat yan.
Si, para malato, tigtas, para malato. Nice one, Jel.
Wow! Siya na naman!
Oy, foul. 1 minute na lang, 1 minute. Delay.
Hoy! Hold it! Hold it!
Nice try by Jandy. Usin, seconds na lang. Let's go, girl, let's go. Let's go, Calabarzon. Region 4. Seconds na lang.
Wala i-compute sa...
Jen, ayaw na dyan, dangog. Ikaw na dyan, dangog. Forty seconds.
Kill the time!
40 seconds. Looks like Calabarzon is winning the 2025. Palarong pambansa, futsal for girls. Score is 4-0. Yeah! Oh, Ali Reyes! Oh! Woo! Score is 5-0. Score for Ali Reyes. Sino yung vice mayor? Yung vice mayor? Ba't kapatid niya? Kapatid. Vice Mayor Dada Reyes, yung kapatid niyo si Ali, nakascore ng pang-5. Mayor Jel Alonte, thank you po sa support ng Binyan.
Oh, with the play.
Let's go, Kala. Sorry po. Four, three, two.
Calabarzon!
Congrats, coach! Congrats, Jelly! Ate, congrats! Coach! Congrats! Good job, Calabarzon! Dapti! Let's go! Yay! Irene! Let's one, Irene! Good job, girls! Good job! Our champion for Palarong Pambansa 2025 Futsal for Secondary Girls is Region 4A Calabarzon. Score is 5-0 against Catalino Sulagen National High School of Western Visayas Region. Jay. Use cellphone na. Ayaw doon camera. You have cellphone na. For pictures. Jay, so sa bag. Ay, biya kong bag. Yan lang sa pwede. Picture natin. Oh, nag-live. Oh, nag-live ko. Get my bag. Yan lang. Herbon. Mami.
Salamat, Santo Niño!
Coach Alvin, thank you. Live. Congratulations, Coach. Thank you. Thank you, Lord.
Ha?
Si Felix nyo lagi ko mismo doon. Jelly! Live, smash, hey! Ajay, kamera. Cellphone. Your 2025 Palarong Pambansa Futsal Secondary Girls Champion is Region 4A Calabarzon, represented by De La Salle University Integrated School of Binyan, Laguna. Thank you guys for watching. Ali, galing mo Ali, magpasok goal agad. Sorry. you, sir. Love you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, live tayo, sir. Father po. Sir, congratulations natin, ha. Thank you po. Thank you. Additional gold sa atin. Thank you po. Thank you po. Salud kayo, sir. Salud kayo. Coach first. Congratulations, coach. Yay! Yay! Coach Juan. Live, live, live to live, live. Size yung mga fans. Mga fans.
Tabi kayo sa gold. Then, ang silver at saka ang ating top 4. Technical official, kalina po kayo, Boys, pakiready na yung video, ha? Yes. Taba. Technical official, kalina po kayo. Technical official, kalina po kayo. Kalina po kayo. Referees, kung ayaw na technical official, halina kayo. Halina kayo. Halina kayo, mamaya na yan. Mahuli naman tayo ang uwi. Sa taas po, si Sir Ray Ritagas, si Sir Erson. Bago yung mag-a-award, tawagin na natin sa stage.
Yan na. Doon naman masama.
Tawagin na natin sa stage na yung mag-a-award. Dali lang, Joyce, ha? Dali lang. Line. Si Doktora sana. Si Sir Ray, si Saulo, tanong sa taas. Okay, mga anak, makinig, ha? Pag tinawag yung team nyo, punta kayo sa nakatulong referee, makikipagkata kayo. Then, diretso sa stage. Halina, ha? Okay, thank you. Sino ma'am, MC na natin? MC. Okay.
Juna!
Ay, tapos na po.
I love you!
Ma'am, may video po muna tayo ng dalawang video.
Live.
Play lang after na start tayo.
Ay, sa mga fans si Juna.
Mike. Sir!
Thank you, Mayor Jel Alante ng Binyan, Laguna. Thank you po sa support ng mga Binyan athletes. Sorry.
Ay, Bay, assist na muna. Bay. Napatay ng projector.
LJ, lapsak.
Jessica,
Mama.
special award! Jessica, special award!
Certificate lang, sir. Yung ginaga. Ano naman ginaga nun? Ati, sir, ginaga. Atas, sir, element secondary lang.
Wala, dali. Yan.
Dito po, ito kayo po. Ay, thank you, Lord.
Taas lang ka, Martin.
Isa kami lang ilo. Maraming magandang shot.
Saan dito? Dakilang may dikta.
Prayer yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the award ceremony in Futsal Second Dan, Payatan Pambansa 2025. To begin with, let us all stand for the singing of patriotic song, after which please remain standing for the prayer.
Sama ko yung putak, Eden.